Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to delete your Rocket Money account. If you don't have a Rocket Money account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a gear icon at the upper left side of the screen. Click on the gear icon. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on the option that says Profile. On the pop-up window, scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom, you will see an option that says Delete Rocket Money Account. Click on Delete Rocket Money Account. Next, you will see some information when deleting your account. Lastly, click on Delete Rocket Money Account. That's how you delete your Rocket Money account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.